So we are here in Mangalore on the 29th of August. It's a lazy Sunday morning. There have been good spells of rain throughout the night as well, so I could hear the rain, doing a tap dance on the AC. I think it looks like a frame kept to mount the AC. So so today's plan is pretty simple. I need to put my clothes for the laundry here. It's too wet. I can't, probably get it dried if I wash it here. So I'm going to put it for the laundry, and I'm going to have a sumptuous breakfast today. And then it seems so. My dad just gave me a news clipping saying that sent me a news clipping saying that the coast of the Malabar coast as well as places in and around Mangalore are on Malabar coast is on orange alert, and the places around Mangalore are on yellow alert. So if there are no rains, if there are slight showers, I'll just quickly make my way through to the Ullal beach. There's one beach here nearby, which is the Ullal beach, and then I have a good friend of mine whom I'm planning to meet. Let's see. So if that happens, that will be the progress for today. And hey there. So I just came out, stepped out for food, and it has started to rain again. But I just asked these people for an umbrella, and they bluntly refused, saying that they can't share it because of the pandemic. I couldn't say anything other than okay, fine, I'll manage. So I'm going to go for a walk in the rain. Okay, so what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to drive directly from here to Murdeshwar to Gokarna, and from Gokarna I'll also be going to Kola. So we will be halting at Kola. Kola beach is around 280 kilometers from here, and what we'll be doing is we'll be covering that in probably around 5.5 to 6 hours time. So I've not brought my mic here because it's raining. I don't have a waterproof mic as of now. So bear with me in this video. The audio might not be that very well, but winds are also pretty strong here. So yeah, I'll stop the recording for now. I'll keep my camera inside. I'll go have my dinner. It's constantly raining here. I'm just gonna assume that it's gonna be much better. We'll have a sunny day tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to be the case. So yeah, that's it for now. So have a sound sleep. I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video where we ride all the way from here. That's it. Adios and good night.